Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you confused between table and matrix visual in Power BI? They look similar, but they are actually very different. And choosing the wrong one can mess up your entire dashboard. So in today's video, we will understand what table and matrix visuals are in Power BI, how they work, and when you should use each one. So let's start with the table visual. What is table visual? Table visual displays data in a simple row by row format, just like an Excel. Each column represents fields and rows shows in single records. As you can see, the first visual, this is called table visual. So this represents your data row by row. So for example, you can see here the customer name, the city name, country, total sales, and quantity purchased. So this table visual is showing you the data row by row. In each row, you have a distinct value. So this table visual is actually best for detailed data. If you want to show the detailed data in your dashboard, you can use table visual. It is listing records. It is showing the records list wise, row by row, and it is actually show the raw data. The raw data you have in your source table. So this raw data you can show in a detailed manner with the table visual. But table visual also has a limitation. Table visuals actually don't support grouping and hierarchical data. You cannot do groupings in the table visuals. You can only show the data row wise and detail wise. So this is table visual. So next, what is matrix visual? So as you can see here, the second visual is a matrix visual. It looks similar, right? Like it is showing the customer name row by row, total sales, and quantity. So it is also showing the data row by row. But the matrix table is like actually a pivot table in Excel. It allows you the grouping the data. As you can see, here there is a first customer. So you can see here, if you open it, you can see the country name. You can again expand it, you will see the city name. So likewise, you can see the data hierarchies here, right? So for example, there is a customer name and the country name and the city name and showing the overall total sales and quantity purchase. So this matrix visual is actually best for data summarization. If you want to perform data summarization, hierarchical analysis, comparing the categories, so it supports you. This matrix visual supports you to performing these activities. So it also supports subtotals and drill down features. Let me show you. So right now we can see there is a customer name row wise and the total sales of related to the particular customer. So if we use the drill down function, so we can go the next level. For example, if I click on this, so it will go the next level. You can see here it will show also the country and the city as well. So if you want to see the next level, if you want to go, don't want to see the customer name but want to see the city, you can click the drill down button and you reach out to the country level. Now you can see the total sales depending on the countries like Alabama, Algeria, American Samoa, right? So this is showing the total sales now country wise, not customer wise. Now if you go to the further level, then you can see the total sales according to the city. Adamsburg, like Alexandria Chester, Andrew Fort, Ashley Town. So you can see the total sales city wise. So matrix is a very good visual through which you can perform some extra features which is not available in the table visuals, right? So what's the difference? The table actually gives you the flat structure. This is just a flat structure you can see in the table visual, only row wise row. So there is no grouping feature is available, you can see, and you can not the summarization also in the matrix visual, I mean in a table visual, right? So table is best for detailed data, right? And for metrics, if you want to perform hierarchical structure, you want to expand and collapse the data, right? To adjust the report, and if you want to do some summarization and insights, this is best. So matrix is best for summarization and insights as well. So for example, for simple rule for table visual and matrix visual is, if you want to show the raw data, use table. If you want to show the raw data as well as the analysis also, use matrix. So okay, so I would like to give you some quick tips also for regarding table visual and matrix visual. So always use matrix for dashboard because it looks more interactive, right? You can perform drill down functions here in the matrix. You can summarize, you can expand and collapse. So matrix gives you an interactive dashboard. And you use table when you exporting the data. So whenever you want to show the raw data in a detailed manner, in a full-fledged raw data, so use table. Okay. And the third tip I would like to give is avoid clutter. Don't overload visuals with too many fields, right? Table, whether it is table matrix, table visual, or a matrix visual, don't put a lot of data in particular visual. And always format headers and totals for better readability, as I have done here. For example, this is bold and the size of the text is bigger than the values in the table. So you should always format your headers so that it should be understandable, right? So now you know the difference between the table and matrix visuals in Power BI. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.